thought a lot before making this video, so hope you guys enjoy it and find value. I'm gonna keep this video completely raw, no editing, no cutting, no nothing. This is literally what's happening right now. I'm gonna like hit record, tell you what's going on, and just post the video. If this video finds you, you give value, cool. That you don't watch this video, don't care, to be honest. So listen, this video is towards those people that have been trading for a while and have not seen any success from the markets. They have not made the money they wanted to make. They feel like they wasted a lot of time, a lot of effort, like years gone without achieving anything. And I know a lot of people like that, and I was one of those people, to be honest. I wasted a lot of time, a lot of money into the markets before like I got it all back. So the thing is, and it's just too many issues. But like I'm gonna start with the big one, right? The reason that you're not making any money from the markets, or that you're making money but it's not consistent, it's like you're profitable in 1 month, you're not profitable the second month, which is completely normal, by the way. But like over 12 months you're unprofitable. This is like one of the biggest issues as well. Like people will flex a payout or two, but like they cannot do it consistently. Let me get straight to the point. The reason that this is happening is because you guys are completely wrong about everything when it comes to trading. And don't even get me started. Like, it's a complete Ponzi scheme. Like, I don't even know how to tackle on this issue, or where to start, like what to start talking about. But like, let's just start from the smallest things. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you my story on how I realized I was being fucked by the markets and by like these educators online. And hopefully you can fucking like find the correlations between my story and see what it replicates, if it replicates to your life or like to other people that you know that trade. So I started trading a while back, like 3 years ago. Me and a bunch of friends, we were trading, and as you guys can see, this is how we all started. This is like 2022. This is the shit that I was doing 2022. So 3 years ago, this is what I was doing. I was trading simple support resistance. I was logging my trades. So like, as you can see here, I was calculating the risk to reward. I had my strategy. It was like, if price hits a major support and it's just like, I see a rejection, I enter. I see like potential breakout, I go the other way, whatever. So as you guys can see, and I was gauging trend by the moving average, and as you guys can see here, for example, this trade that I took was a long above, it was an uptrend above the 200 EMA. I lost, result, take profit was way too big, previous low, blah blah blah. This is what I thought was going to save me back then. And if you guys can see here, like I was winning trades. Like I was winning. Like multiple trades. Win. Like the issue is, what you guys need to understand is, when I lost, I did not know why I was losing. Like as you guys can see, strategies, I was literally like learning like candlesticks, I was learning patterns, I had books, reading the candle charts reading the charts candle by candle, trading in the zone, trading videos, whatever I was doing to like just make some money off the markets. And yeah, this is what I was doing, bro. I was trading Fibonacci's, pivots, moving averages. I was doing whatever I can to actually like win some money from these markets. But what I'm trying to say with this is, trading, just by going to YouTube, and you go to YouTube and you type trading. The thing is, if you type trading, like the shit that you see on the front page is horrendous. It's awful. It's all ICT. It's all fucking marketing, trying to sell you a course that doesn't work. I'm not shaming course selling. I sell a course myself. But it's just, there is nothing wrong with selling knowledge that you know and people don't. But like selling something that doesn't work is, these people, like, they put all their effort into marketing. They don't make money from these markets, bro. Like, look at this. Like, it's just so. This is this shit that you see on the internet. You just ICT, repackage stuff, and if you want to know what you need to do and what you need to learn to actually win money from the markets, you would need to ask yourself this one simple question that I asked myself way back. How do professionals trade? If you're playing soccer or football, you go to your neighborhood, you see people playing football. You go to your local park, you see people playing football. That is the equivalent of going to YouTube and typing trading. You're seeing people that are not very good at trading trade, and you're picking up all their bad habits, all their bad strategies, and you're applying it to your capital, and you're losing money. You're probably blowing out funded accounts, whatever. By the way, just to like show a little bit of, people like to see the results. As you guys can see, this is my performance over 4 months. Some positions I just put on, just handful of positions. Like, if I put on all my positions, this will all get filled out. Like, I would not have space. But show you like a result of 1 month of trading, some broker withdrawals. Okay, so my point is, I do this stuff. I'm not insanely rich from trading, but like, I make a living from the trading, and I feel like this is the goal for a lot of people. A lot of people would love to make a living from trading, and the thing is, the majority of people are looking in the wrong spots. I was one of them. I was going to YouTube, I was looking at trading content, and I see TGR, and I see ICT, and I see all these fake gurus that sell strategies, they sell courses, mentorships. You go there, you buy the mentorship, it doesn't work, you blow an account, you buy a new one. It's an endless cycle. You want to make money from this, then you're questioning yourself, does this shit even work? Does this trading shit even work? Can I make money long term? What's going on, etc.? And this is like, bro, this is not how trading is meant to be, man. Like, it's just like, ask yourself, like, how do professionals trade? And the moment you ask yourself and you look into like what professionals do to trade and how they trade, it's a completely different game. Like, even if you trade ICT, the market is controlled by the banks or whatever. Like, everyone in the retail space says, oh, the market is controlled by the banks, Well, like, who are the banks? Do you even know what these banks do? Maybe can you like steal some of their strategies? And the reason this information is so gatekept and is so like, is hidden from you retail traders, because brokers don't want you guys to know this. Prop firms don't want you guys to know this. Like, if I go right now, like, let me show you an example. If I go right now to Twitter and I'll type FTMO just to like show you something, like, the things that they show, like, you gotta understand though, this is a company that makes money from you losing. The thing that they're gonna show you, like, hold on, let me see. Look, inside bar trading strategy. Like, do you think a company that makes money, listen to this, man, come on, bro, that makes money from you blowing up accounts is gonna show you how to make money? Like, it would not happen. It would not happen. Everything that you see here is fake. You go to home, everything that you see here, like every strategy that you see here, like, I don't know if like, let me type trading strategy. Everything that you see here is completely fake. No one is gonna show you a trading strategy that works. This doesn't work. Nothing here works. Elliott waves, ICT, trend lines, support resistance, the ICT gurus. Look, this doesn't work, bro. None of this works. You have to understand though, these strategies are made so you can, for marketing purposes, and they're promoted by brokers so you guys lose money. How do you guys lose money? It's fairly simple. I'm going to pop paint for a sec. I am a broker. Okay, I am a look. I am a prop firm. So this is a prop firm. I make money because 90% of traders lose money. There is a statistic, proven statistics, that says 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. Look, let's Google it right now. Let's verify it. Look, the rule is Graham's statistic that serves as a sobering reminder of the difficulty of trading. According to this rule, 90% of novice traders will experience significant losses within the first 90 days. This is known. 90% of people lose money. These people know that. These prop firms, for example, know 90% of people lose. So they will sell you an account, okay? They will sell you an account. You will trade on that account. You have a 90% probability of losing, okay? You will buy a new account. So it's in their best interest, right? To promote horrible strategies. Like to promote like ICT, SMC, Elio, whatever strategy is trending on the internet. It's in their best interest. It's a business model, bro. Like, don't look too deep into it. It's not that deep. They just want people to lose money, bro. It is what it is. They want people to lose money. The more people that buy the challenges, and the 10% that actually win money, they can pay them out from the 90%, and they keep like a solid 80% net positive. See what I'm looking at? The brokers as well. Why would a broker tell you how to make money? You have to understand that these brokers, the retail trading scene is so cooked because retail traders, they don't pursue knowledge. They're not very familiar with financial markets. They don't even know how a broker works. They genuinely do not know that the broker is B-book, and it's not even taking their trades to the live market. They don't even know what product they're trading. Are they trading CFD? Are they trading futures? Are they trading options? Are they trading spot? Are they like, what type of derivative you're trading? Like, what does it serve to? They're trading naked and hedged positions. Beginner retail trader is so bad, is so clueless about financial markets. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything. He just goes in blind, trades, throws darts at the wall, hopefully something sticks. He just throws shit at the wall, hopefully something sticks. This is what they do. All of them. Not a single, like the 90% of them, 90% of the traders that I met are like this. They just don't have what it takes. I'm sorry. Like, if you keep doing this ICT, SMC bullshit, support resistance, Elliott wave, these strategies from these gurus that sell you mentorships on the internet, you keep doing them, you're never gonna make money. Bro, might as well just go get a 9 to 5, bro. I'm sorry. Like, you're not making money out from these markets. Because the people that you're competing against, for example, you're competing against investment banks that own, that are opened all over the planet, that own billions of dollars, that existed for hundreds of years. For example, this is an investment bank, right? This shit existed since the 1700s. JP Morgan founding date 1871. Was founded 1700. The 1700s, bro. 1799. Like, what are we doing? You're competing against these people. You're competing against Goldman Sachs. Like, these people are investment banks that move billions of dollars of capital daily. And this is the excuse that the ICT traders use, right? Oh, we don't care how the banks trade. We just got an algorithm, and we just gotta figure out that there is no algorithm, bro. There is billions of algorithms. The market is completely dynamic. You think these people, right? If you, average Joe, from a YouTube video, trading on your phone, found something that works in the markets, you think these people are gonna let you make money? They bank governments. These people bank governments. You have to understand, these financial markets exist here for a reason. They don't just exist here just because you could come in and click buy and sell. It's a deeper meaning to it. Some people hedge using these financial markets. A guy that owns, I don't know, that owns like a plane company, right? And he needs to buy oil at a fixed price, or his complete business is gonna like evaporate if prices of oil go for, say, like from like 70 to 90. So he buys oil using oil futures. Or a guy that has like fucking wheat crop. A guy that's a simple farmer that has wheat crop. That you can trade wheat, wheat futures, right? If a guy that has wheat crop and there is like I don't know, something happened to the wheat prices, right? And he owns a lot of wheat. He's gonna lose a lot of money, right? Because he owns a lot of wheat. He can go to futures and short on futures, so he can hedge that risk, become market neutral. You see what I'm telling you? Like, it's way deeper than that. These people, Euro USD, for example, everyone knows Euro USD. No one knows what it is, bro. Like, Euro USD, when you trade Euro USD, when you click buy on a Euro USD, you're saying that the euro is stronger than the dollar right now. That means the European economy is better than the US economy. And you can't just determine that by looking at chart patterns. You gotta like look at central banks, interest rates, look at the inflation, look at the business activity, look at a lot of things, bro. You coming in randomly and just drawing lines on a chart, expecting to hit bro, that might hit once or twice. It's just like going to a casino, right? You go to a casino right now, the casino has an edge, but you can win. You can, like, I don't know, bet it all on black, or play roulette, or play slots, and you just win one time or two times. But like, in the long run, you lose money. Ask anyone that gambles. They will all tell you the same thing. It's either they got a gambling addiction, they lost all their money, which is very correlated to what you do, or they're like, I'm eventually gonna hit big. And this is the same thing that you guys do. You just buy accounts, be like, oh, this payout is gonna like, oh, this payout. Or if I get only one payout, I'm gonna recoup everything. Bro, you're not gonna get that payout. And if you get that payout, you're gonna gamble that payout. Become net negative at the end of your trading career. Whatever you like, you sober up and realize you've just been wasting a fuck ton of time and not doing anything with your life. Like, I hate to be the fucking bearer of bad news, but this is the reality of trading, bro. You guys are not cut out for this. It doesn't work like this, man. I'm sorry. What do you want me to tell you? Like, what it took me to like actually make money from the markets, it took me like serious studying of the market. I had to study order flow. I had to study positioning from CTAs, like commodity trade advisor funds. I had to study like options. I had to study macro. And this is my Discord, for example. I'm gonna show you guys my Discord, right? This is my Discord, what I put on analysis. Like, look at the level of the analysis I have to do just to get an idea of what's going on in the market. It's just like I have to like analyze geopolitics. I have to analyze the economy. I have to analyze the debt. I have to analyze like a lot of things just to like get an idea of what's going on. Just to get an idea of like how to put my money in, what is like the highest probability trade. This is what professionals do. Like, you see when I was showing you guys Goldman, JP. If ICT works, why would these people not use it? If there was an algorithm and everyone was abusing it to make money, supposedly, why wouldn't it be patched by these people that like they own everything, they own the markets? And this is the excuse that everyone uses. Oh, they're too big, bro. So you think they're too big, they wouldn't patch that? What if someone that's not too big finds out about it and he's a smart guy and he can just like, eventually it's not gonna work anymore, it's gonna die out? You have to understand though, profitable trading strategies are not found on the internet. If a strategy that you bought from TGR, ICT, or whatever the fuck worked, it would stop working the moment a lot of people know about it. The moment a couple people know about it, it's gonna stop working. Simple as that. The edge is gonna die out. You know what I mean? Put this in your real life. Let's just throw a hypothetical situation. Imagine that you know a glitch on how to like walk up to ATMs and just like withdraw money. You just like type in this random combination of code and it just literally, the fucking ATM starts shitting out fucking $100 bills. If you're the only one doing that, you can get away with it. You just put a ski mask on, you go and you do it on a couple of ATMs across the country. But like, if you tell all your friends about it and their friends tell all their friends and they make YouTube videos about it, like, do you think that shit is gonna like work still? You see what I'm telling you, bro? Like, the shit that you guys believe in is naive as fuck. It does not happen, man. I'm sorry, bro. This is the reality of financial markets. I'm trying to like post YouTube videos and to show you guys, yo, listen, this is what it takes to actually. Let me give you an example. Like, if I go to my like Discord, right? What I share analysis. This is what I shared. For example, I did the Bitcoin analysis. explained exactly why Bitcoin was ranging, exactly why Bitcoin is at these levels, exactly what's going on, uh, what is the government trying to do, what is the Federal Reserve trying to do, interest rates, whatever. Everyone that listened to this call, literally a week later, look at the dates. So 20 days later, look what happened. Look, the 4th of August, the 22nd of August, look at the price of Bitcoin. Goes up by 9%. Every time I do this, put an analysis, it goes up. Put a video, look, for example, this is a video, another market analysis here. I go to general chat, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, up another 4%, 3.7%. What I'm trying to tell you is, you cannot just look at the charts and expect to get value and to get setups, and it just doesn't work like that. You need more tools, you need more sophisticated tools, you need like the stuff that I use to actually get an edge in these markets. I use order flow, I use option positioning, I use a lot of like third-party softwares just to like time my entries perfectly and stuff like that. And it's just a systematic approach. It's not something that you can just like come in every day to the market and do. Like I'm completely sorry, but what I'm trying trading is not that easy. And yeah, man, like you have to understand that there is like a lot that goes into this. Hopefully this video like connected with you in any type of way. I have a Discord where I talk to people and I share my views on stuff with people. Join the Discord, ask me whatever the fuck you want. I'm gonna close out this video right now. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.